Hey, this is Dave from solventprinterconversion.com. Today is July 1st, 2011, and I have another Roland VersaCamm SP540v 54-inch print cut machine. This one is in beautiful condition, definitely above average. It's only been used, it's about 4 years old, it's only been used about 100 hours a year. It has 402 print hours, which for this machine, very, very low. This one right now, Matt set us up with a simple test file. It's doing some printing right now. Really nice quality, has a 100% nozzle test pattern. Everything's just dead on. It's also going to do a little cut at the end of this job. Really, really nice. This machine runs with Roland's latest grip software, which is Roland VersaWorks. It's one of Roland's most popular machines, therefore it has tons of profiles available for it. Lots of support. If you can't fix it and we can't help you remotely, any Roland technician can help you with this machine. Overall, it's a really good machine to have. If you're kind of a medium-sized sign shop, or maybe you're a t-shirt shop, you're looking to finally get into to printing things, this one can do the t-shirt transfers and do a nice job with that, where you could print full-color graphics on t-shirt transfer, use a heat press, press it down. Just earlier this week, we had some folks come up from Louisiana to pick up the last of this model that we had, the one right before this, exact same model. We were cranking out all kinds of stuff, and I'm going to show you a picture here in the video. They actually brought us. Usually I buy everybody lunch that comes. They set a new precedent, and they showed up with all the fixings for an authentic Louisiana crawfish boil. So now we kind of raised the bar, so if you want to come, you got to bring some of your local food, or bring something to share. Not really, but anyway, just thought that was really cool. Really appreciate those guys. So, excellent printer, excellent condition. We put some new parts into it, new cap tops, new surge mist sponges, cutting protection strips, blades, things like that. Otherwise, the machine's, because it's so low in hours, it's in excellent shape. This thing can do printing, it can do cutting. An example that Matt did earlier today was just a little prototype, was to make this sign that we did a full color print on this back layer. He contour cut it out, and then he took some white vinyl, cut that out, put it all together, made a high quality product. Pretty cool. One of the things that I show in most of my videos is this goofy little Chinese picture of Chinese food. But this is our one-way vision window film, which I think is an awesome product, and if you're not already familiar with it, you should definitely look at it. With this type of printer, we've done a lot of things like these retractable or roll-up banner stands. There's all kinds of banner stands and banners you can do. And this machine would be well suited to getting you into vehicle wrapping. It is not quite as fast as the newest of machines, but it will get the job done, and there's a lot of stuff you can do with it. We're going to pan over here just for a second. At the time of making this video, I have a 60-inch used laminator in very good condition. It's a Leadco Econocraft 60 that is up for sale. I'd be happy to package these two together if you wanted to make a full sign shop out of it. I just talked with our leasing guys over at Dick Clark & Associates that do a really nice job coming up with leasing packages, and they said if you had really good credit, you could look at this machine and the laminator, the whole thing together, for around $450 a month. That's pretty cool. If you're kind of on the fence of what to do, you could get better equipment and end up with a really nice package that's really going to last you well. So we're almost to the cut part of this. I think Matt's kind of looking at that. Some other cool things that you could do. You could do any type of wall art stuff, fathead type graphics, all types of truck and vehicle graphics. If you maybe don't even have a vinyl cutter, this is your vinyl cutter. If you have a crappy, cheap vinyl cutter, this is an excellent, accurate, dead-on vinyl cutter. And so it's something that you definitely want to look into. VersaWorks is really good rip software. It is just rip software, it's not design software, so you'll need to have something like the Adobe Suite or Corel Draw, something like that, to keep yourself up on design things. But it's pretty cool. Right now, I think this is going to advance this out, dry it out a little bit, and shortly the cutting head is going to come out and do its job and do a little quick cut in there. Right now you can hear the cleaning cycle running in the background that it does after it prints, just to make sure everything's good. This machine has a feature that most of the newer machines have where it does automatic cleaning cycles while the machine is sleeping or you're not there, which helps to keep the heads in really good condition. Something that we like. It's unfortunately not available on some of the older machines that we work with. Excuse me, but on these newer ones, it's a built-in program function. Definitely very cool. Right now this is advancing this out so that it could dry out the print before it draws it back in and cuts it. Hopefully here in a sec we'll see it. There we go. This is my favorite part. I think the cutting part is just so cool. I know it's nothing new, but it's pretty cool. So here at Solvent Printer Conversion, some machines like this aren't actually conversions. We didn't actually have to do any modifications to this. We just go ahead and just make it into a solid refurb unit where it's ready to go. We want to make sure that machines that you get from us, that you've got the support to make it work. And so, excellent machine, really ready to go. It's going to work really well for you. So, if you need anything from us, give me a shout. 330-556-5485. We'd be happy to talk to you about this. And you can also reach me, Dave, at solventprinterconversion.com. Thanks for checking it out. See ya.